For some big time heat today, we are going to see soaring temperatures into the 70s by noon, and then daytime highs. We should hit that max high in the low 80s this afternoon. Now with that comes some big winds, especially later today after the sun goes down. We have a ridge of high pressure very close to this area of low pressure, so that's funneling in these very strong winds straight out of the south. So that's why it will be so incredibly warm. But look at the wind gusts that we expect. This afternoon, they start gusting 35 miles per hour, but after the sun goes down, that's when we see those 40 and 45 mile per hour wind gusts. So very strong winds coming straight out of the south. That's what's going to warm us up. So warm winds today. Then we turn our attention to chances for strong storms. Now, if we were to see severe weather, it would be late tonight into the very early morning hours of your Tuesday, till the front passes. Once that front is gone, then the severe risk would be gone. So the Storm Prediction Center really keeping a bullseye for a high tornado threat around the Twin Cities and also around La Crosse, Wisconsin. So that's the area for severe weather. Now, as far as severe weather chances here in Chicago, it's more for tonight. And if storms were to materialize, we are at a level 2 in Chicago on a scale of 1 to 5 for severe weather chances tonight. Here's the issue though. Computer model data not showing a strong signature of these storms as they would come in. So as we get into tonight, after midnight would be the time frame for these storms to form. However, model data is showing that our atmosphere is actually capped. That means warm air aloft. That means like a lid on a pot holding all that boiling water or that boiling atmosphere from taking shape. So if we have any strong weather tonight, it would be well after midnight leading into the very early morning hours. So we'll keep an eye on that time frame. But for right now, model data is holding on to that cap to remain strong. So today it's just going to definitely be windy and warm, possibly stormy tonight, and then cool and unsettled here for the middle of the week with rain likely Wednesday into Thursday.